No, this is when I came here, and I'm at the Exford Road level crossing in Melton. Although the whistle posts say Station Road for whatever reason, Station Road actually starts just up there at the roundabout. Yeah, so I just noticed during the end of the activation, that light there, one that's in the middle of your screen, just near the two tracks, that light was not working. And yes, there's election campaign posters all over the fences. There's Victoria's upcoming state election, so they've put it all everywhere. They've put stuff everywhere. Yeah, so that'd be why you're seeing it. There's one of the gated signals. So here we got Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism. This is an older. This one's an older one. It doesn't say Western Cullen Hayes incorporated on the bottom under WC Hayes. We got newer style Westinghouse lights on Westinghouse Crossarm, which is mounted the right way up. We've got Safetran Type 3 electronic bell. Gate, got a red background crossbar up there, and then there's two tracks line hiding in there behind the mounting armful lights. And of course, base is unmarked. STA might mean State Transport Authority or something. Like how the old padlocks are still in use. Got push bar escape gates here, magnetic auto control mechanism. And there's another one over here. And there's the tracks looking towards Ballarat and towards Melbourne. And there's a bridge just a few metres down. So here, got two tracks sign, railway crossing sign, the red background version, another Safetran Type 3 electronic bell. Here we have pretty much the same as the other side, although there are some differences with this signal. The signal on that side has got signal over there has got new style Westinghouse LED lights. This one's got the old style ones, silver housing on a silver crossarm. But oddly enough, It's got a newer Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanism. So it's sort of a mixture of new and old equipment at this crossing. Another funny thing, this, I've got to zoom it back here. Zoom back out. Another thing that's funny about this crossing is this gate here has got traffic light buttons for the escape gate, but the other three all have the push bar releases. It's a very funny layout, very weird crossing. Odd mixture of equipment. Yeah. There's a Westinghouse point machine or junction machine. Yeah. So this is a bit of an odd crossing in the fact that it's got newer Westinghouse lights on one side, old Westinghouse lights on the other, and then two different generations of Western Cullen Hayes gate mechanisms. This one has actual Western Cullen Hayes mounting arms on it. The other one has something else.